Today we will continue the revision of lesson number 9, that is force, work and energy. Okay, yesterday we had done force. What is force? Push or pull on an object is called force. Okay, afterwards we had discussed different effects of force. What are the effects of force? It stop a moving object, move a stationary object, changes speed, shape and direction of an object. With all the examples, children, be careful in your exam also. There might be a question. Give an example in which force changes the shape of an object. Okay? There you can write any example. कोई भी example लिख सकते ना? Right. Next, afterwards, we had discussed the types of forces, in which we had discussed gravitational force, electrostatic, magnetic, buoyant. And now we had discussed buoyant force now. Afterwards, fifth type of force which we have to discuss is frictional force. Can anyone know us what is friction or what is frictional force? Yes, Deepak. Basically friction is the, very good, sit down, opposing or a resisting force. Resist means oppose karna, stop karna, rokna. Okay? In the same manner, friction is a opposing force. It is a force that is opposite to the motion. Opposing force किसके opposing है? To the motion of object. ठीक है? To the movement of object. Means if your object is moving in forward direction, suppose your ball, here is your ball, right? It is moving. It is moving in this direction. This is the movement of ball. Okay? And in which direction friction is applied? Friction is applied against that movement. Okay? Friction किस direction में होगी बेटा? Friction is in this direction. Okay? It means ball tends to move forward, friction moves it backward. Now again, supposingly if your ball moves in this direction, a ball is direction में move कर रही है, in which direction friction is applied? Friction tries to move it here. It means what is the role of friction? Opposite, move opposite. That is the role of friction. इसीलिए बेटा when we write the definition of friction, we often write it is a opposing force to the motion. ठीक है ना? Wherever you want to go, it always moves opposite. Is it clear? Is this word opposing is clear? Wherever you move, friction pulls you backwards. In whichever direction you move, it pulls you backward. पीछे चलो. Okay? Clear to everyone? Each one? Okay now? Shall we move forward? Now, this frictional force, it is more on rough surface. है ना? You can take a simple example for this. If you are rolling a ball on your floor, ठीक है? You are rolling a ball on a floor and in the playground, where the ball stops first. In the playground, why the ball stops first in the playground rather than on your floor? Because, एक सेकेंड बच्चे प्लीज, यस मुस्कान प्लीज. नहीं, सिर्फ इतना आंसर बेटा, बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल. It is incomplete answer, because even on the surface of your floor of your house, ठीक है, surface of your house is also having some friction. Yes, that is the complete answer, because The playground is a rough surface and has more friction as compared to the floor of our house. This is the complete answer. Bete, now you are grown up to kindly explain the topic completely. Very good, bache. Please sit down. Kanishka, yes, please. Similarly, friction on a smooth surface is less. ठीक है? Friction on a smooth surface is less. Yes, Kanishka, please. You want to say something or ask something? Okay. Go. Is it okay? Okay, children. Ranesh. Yes, please.
मैम मुझे वो एंड फोर्स नहीं पता लगी.
By and force, I will explain it again. Okay? Okay. Now, before that, let us complete it first. Then I will take out the query. Okay, ji. Now, bache, next is this is a type of friction. Now, I have told you it is opposing force. Wherever you go, it will stop you. It means this frictional force have lot of disadvantages. If it stops us, it is having disadvantages. It is not useful at all. Really? It is having lot of disadvantages. Can anyone tell me what type of disadvantages it is having? Firstly, if it will oppose us. Yes, please. Yes. If it opposes us, then definitely it slows down the motion. It slows down our speed. Don't say ma'am, one by one. Please sit down. Okay? It slows down our motion. Yes, Raghav. Next. Exactly. It also produces the heat. Okay? Friction also produces heat. When rubbing of the things will take place, heat is also produced. Yes, damages the machine parts, or we can say that damages tires. Okay? Tires of your cars, scooters, and sole of your shoes. Okay? Any other? Any other point in your mind? Okay. Regular denting painting of machine parts is also required because of friction. बेटे अगर डैमेजिंग होगी मशीन पार्ट्स की रेगुलर डेंटिंग पेंटिंग भी तो रिक्वायर्ड है, अदरवाइज अवर मशीन पार्ट्स विल नॉट वर्क, इजंट इट? ठीक है. डैमेजेस टायर्स and soles of shoes. Is it clear now? Okay. Okay, children. So these are the few of the disadvantages. It means if this force is having so many of the disadvantages, we should not go for this force. This force should be eliminated from the nature. It should not be there. ऐसे ही होना चाहिए ना? It should not be there. है ना? But if this force is not there in the nature, we are not able to do certain works. This force is also having lot of advantages. इसके बेटे बहुत सारे advantages भी हैं. ठीक है? कैसे? I will give you few examples. Yes, Dharya. Help us to walk. In short, I am writing its advantages. Other one. इरेज पेंसिल मार्क्स. ठीक है? हाँ जी. You are able to write. ठीक है? Help us to write. Yes. It is done. Anything else? makes movement of vehicles. It help us, it make us able to write. ठीक है ना? It is same one. And after that, movement of tires is possible only because of friction. Bete, I will prove all these points to you. Movement of tires become possible only because of friction. ठीक है बेटे, ये कैसे है? ये सारे पॉइंट्स का क्या प्रूफ है? इससे पहले भी आपने एक डिसएडवांटेजेस में पॉइंट लिखवाया था दैट फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूसेस हीट. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिकली एक काम करना, जस्ट ट्राई इट एट होम, जस्ट गो फॉर अ ड्राइव. आप घर जाते हो, ठीक है, समटाइम्स यू मूव इन बाय कार, और चलो कार हर टाइम हमारे माइंड में नहीं होती, बट वी ऑल आर हैविंग साइकिल्स, मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर हैविंग साइकिल्स ना. राइड ए साइकिल, जस्ट टेक अ गुड राइड ऑन अ साइकिल. साइकिल के ऊपर जस्ट टेक अ गुड राइड, कम बैक, and when you be out of the cycle, just try to touch the tires of the cycle. They get heated up. They get heated up. It means this proof that friction produces heat and lot of energy gets wasted. That is the disadvantage of friction. Okay. Now coming to the advantages point, it helps us to write. How? Are you all able to write on a paper? You are all able to write on a paper? Now do one thing, take some oil and spread on the paper. Oil लेके पेपर के ऊपर spread कर दो, dry that paper. उसको sun में dry कर लो, the paper becomes an oily paper, है ना? And now try to write on that paper. Will you able to write? We are not able to write. Why? Because oily paper becomes a smooth surface, isn't it? Oily paper becomes a smooth surface, and smooth surface is having less friction, and due to less friction we are not able to write. ठीक है? Yes, we are able to erase your pencil marks only because of the friction. ठीक है? Yes, that also an example of producing heat. ठीक है? इसके अलावा बेटे, we are able to walk because of friction. I will just give you an example. Okay, you will take the marble of your house, ठीक है, and spread some water over there, and try to run on that marble. Then what will happen? You will slip. You will slip now on a wet floor, and you will throw water in a ground and try to run. Are you able to run? ठीक है, if there is some water in the ground, you are still able to run. In a little bit water hardly matters to you, है ना? Why? Because ground is a rough surface, and due to more friction you are able to walk, you are able to run. हाँ, on a smooth surface friction is always less. ठीक है? So these are the few advantages of friction. Even tires, soles of your shoes. Have you seen your shoes from the downwards? Check your shoes from the downwards. Are they grooved? Grooving is there, है ना? There are big holes in the shoes, that is called grooving. Similarly, when you all will go, check the tires of your bus, check the tires of your cars, check the tires of your cycle even. There is grooving, holes होते हैं ना? हाँ, then your shoe, when the grooving will be finished, your shoes, they started slipping, isn't it? And why this grooving is made? So that surface becomes rough. And if the surface becomes rough, friction will be increased, and increased friction help us to move. It makes the movement possible. Okay? Is the point of friction clear to all or not? Still, if anyone is having doubt, you can ask. Now, come to the questioning part. Bete, in your exam, you might have a twisted question. Twisted question like, suppose this is the point. Which force help us to walk? ठीक है? Frictional force. I think that is your back question, ना? है ना? Now, Why it is difficult to write on a oily paper? Anyone? Divya, can you please give the answer why it is difficult to write on a oily paper?
Ma'am, because it has less friction.
Because
It has less friction.
yes children, because it has less friction और इसके साथ में दिव्या आप ऐड करोगे because oily paper is a smooth surface, thus it is having less friction, so we are not able to write here over here easily. Okay, Pavneet, is it clear? You have to add that it is a smooth surface. ठीक है? Is it clear? Okay, Ranesh, please. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pavneet. हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
Ranesh, give me one another answer. Why grooving of in the tires of the car is to be done? Why grooving is done in the tires of a car? ठीक है? Yes, please give me the answer. I'm not getting you, बच्चे. Yes, Ranesh. No, I'm not getting you. Yes, Dharya, please tell me why grooving of the tires is to be done. Less friction. Decide कर लो. With the grooving of tires, surface becomes rough. That increases friction and makes the movement possible. Is it clear? This is the simple answers. ठीक है? Now, why it is difficult to write on an oily paper? Because of less friction, oily paper is a smooth surface. Why it is difficult to write on a dry leaf? Dry leaf. Leaf becomes dry. Will you able to write it over there? No. Why? Because dry leaf is a extra rough surface and it is having much more friction. So we are even not able to write. When we try to write, it gets teared off. ऐसे ही होता है? It tear off, है ना? That happens. Okay, ji? Yes, Manmeet, you want to ask something? That completes friction and we will move to the next work. If any doubt,
आपने कल मैग्नेटिक फोर्स कराया था ना, वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया था.
which point?
Magnetic force.
Magnetic force, I will explain. Okay? So children, that completes your force and one or two students have doubt in the magnetic force as well as in the buoyant force. So I will repeat and then move forward. Okay? Yes, what is magnetic force? Anyone? Deepak, please. Achha. Yes, the force applied by the magnet on an iron products or you can say on some objects, it is called as magnetic force. Okay? It is a simple magnetic force is a force that attracts pieces of iron. Force that applied by a magnet, it is called a magnetic force. Is it clear? Now come to the next buoyant force. Hanji. Yes, upward force acting on an object in a liquid. Okay, the force which is acting on a liquid from downwards in upward direction. Okay, I have used the word liquid. You can use water if it is written in the book. Okay, it is the upward force acting from downwards to an object. Okay, this pushes the object in a upward direction. Is it okay, children? Clear to all? Is there any doubt in the topic of force? Then I will take, otherwise I will move to work. Is it clear to all? So shall I move towards the work? What is work? Anyone? Rishik. What do you mean by the term work? I am talking about work. What is work? Or you can say when work is said to be done, give the example when work is said to be done. Give one example when work is not said to be done. When work is not done. ठीक है? Ability to do something is energy, not work. Yes, बच्चे. Yes, work only. This answer, applied force changes the position of an object, or I will use the word moves an object. ठीक है? You can use any word. I will use the word moves an object. Now one third point is also there. Applied force changes, moves an object in the direction of applied force. ठीक है? Pavneet, you also have to write in the direction of applied force. Yes, Raghav, now you can speak. In the direction of applied force. ठीक है? You can use apply. ठीक है? Moves की जगह मैंने word आपने लिखा है changes the position. ठीक है? आप वो भी लिख सकते हो. आपकी बुक में changes the position लिखा हुआ है. Move का meaning भी तो यही है बेटे. Position means एक जगह से, है ना? You can have taken another place. And what does moves mean? Moves. ठीक है? For example, beta, now you can take this. Suppose you are having this duster. Can you all see this duster? It is kept it over here, and I will simply push it. When I push it with my hand, it moves. It is moving now. Okay? And I am applying force in this direction, forward direction, and duster is also moving in forward direction. It means direction is same as that of force. है ना? Also, movement of the duster takes place. That is work. ठीक है? I have just done this and I have done the work. And you all are studying since morning. You have done zero work. ठीक है? You are studying since morning. You have done zero work. I have just moved the duster like this. I have done the work. In science, this is work. Okay? But now this time, if I have done only this now, my work is said to be done. If you have just studying since morning before coming to school, you are just studying, you have done zero work. So I am working much more than you, isn't it? Either I'm sitting for the whole day and just done like this. So is it clear? That is force. Now, online students, please give me few answers. Myra, can you give me one example when work is said to be done?
Ma'am, work is said to be done when we push an object and the object moves.
Beta, object moves in the direction of applied force. Likho. ठीक है? And I have asked example. Give me one example when object is said to be work is said to be done. Example. Just I have shown you practically. And she muted. Okay, Naja, please give me the example. Okay, Bhavya, you please.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? Please again, ma'am, I didn't audible to you.
Sorry, bache, your voice is not at all clear, so I'm unmuted you again. So, children, it is Natansh. Natansh, please give me one example. Relax, relax.
Ma'am,
Hanji, when we press an object and it changes the shape. Beta, try to don't use the shape example in the work done. Not to take the example of shape, because there are certain queries. You can take a simple example like when we push a bench and it moves in the direction of applied force. Table, like we will push a duster forward and it moves in a forward direction. Yes, okay. And give one example when work is not done, when we push a wall, okay, but it does not move, that is simple, work is not done. Okay. When we are reading a book, work is not said to be, work is not done. Okay. So these are the answers. Is it clear? Afterwards, let us move to the next part that we call it as energy. That is all about work, and we have to move towards energy. What is energy? Yes. Now it is the ability or your capacity to do work is called energy. Okay? How much capable of you to do something. Okay? In our work, we are in our book, sorry, we are having almost 10 types of energy. And since the time is running out, I will take only 2 to 3 types of energy. Let us discuss about wind energy, heat energy, sound energy, light energy. Okay? Mechanical, electrical energy, supposingly. Okay? Rest we will take tomorrow, and along with the explanation of these one. Okay? Now I will simply ask a few of the questions which can be formed from these types of energies. Okay? Firstly, a simple question. Yes, what is solar energy and where it is used? Yes. Don't speak like this. One by one. Very good. The energy from the sun that we get from sun is called as solar energy. It is used in solar power cars. It is used in solar cells, solar panels. Even children, now elaborate yourself. Don't stick to the book. Do you know where solar energy is actually used? It is for photosynthesis also. Isn't it? We have all studied. Hannah? Solar energy is also used for photosynthesis by the plants. Don't stick to your book. You can think beyond the book. Okay? Now, I will twist my question here. Can you name that energy which is used in photosynthesis? Now it is solar energy. You all know the answer. Is it clear? Okay. I hope it is clear to all the online students also. Okay, children. Even now, you have to name a type of energy in which light or electricity is produced by using wind power, by using windmills. You have to tell me the type of energy which is produced. Wind energy. Okay? Beta, period over. Rest we will take tomorrow. Okay? We will start from the energy. Okay? All the best and bye-bye.